reagent is prepared by reacting alkyl halide with magnesium turn in some inert solvent. We use inert solvent because metal is quite reactive. If there is any protonating agent such as water, alcohol or amines or any group which carry acidic proton, then it will protonate the metal surface. As a result, it will hinder the reaction of a metal and it will not undergoes a further reaction. By the same definition, Grignard reagent is quite reactive. It remains stable only in nonpolar or aprotic solvent, but if there is a presence of water or any aprotic medium, it will automatically destroy. Why? Because it is quite reactive, and exposing it to a reactive medium facilitated by aprotic medium, then it will automatically react. So, as far as the organic synthesis or synthetic significance of Grignard reagent is concerned, it basically performs different reactions such as reaction with active hydrogen or MgX. It can react with water, it can react with alcohol, it can react with amine. Why? Because in all these compounds there is the presence of hydrogen as a proton, which behave as a proton. Here the alkyl group behave as a strong nucleophile, and whenever or in other words we can say that it carry considerable carbanion character. Therefore, whenever exposed to any medium containing hydrogen, then it will automatically react, especially acidic hydrogen. For example, it abstracts proton from the water and give rise to compound like OHX. Here again RH plus MgOH and X. Here again RH plus Mg NH2X. So, in all these cases the product is alkane. Whenever Grignard reagent is exposed to alcohol or water or amine, or even we can say that thiol as well. Why? Because it also has an acidic proton, so definitely it will react for making an alkane. So, all these are alkanes. This is a very important reaction in labeling of organic compound. For example, if you want to label a particular D2O, here we want to label this carbon atom with deuterium, then we can react its magnesium halide with deuterated water, and we will get, and this help us information or labeling of a compound with a deuterium isotope. So, this is the first important category of Grignard reagent which play an important role in organic synthesis. Next is the reaction of Grignard reagent with a carbonyl compound. Grignard reagent, here we are discussing reactions or reactivity. Or MgX. Carbonyl compounds such as aldehyde and ketone give alcohol with Grignard reagent. Just check out a simple reaction. Here we have methyl magnesium bromide and it react with formaldehyde. It has carbanion character and it react with carbonyl carbon because it is electrophilic in character. It will give an intermediate CH3 HO MgBr. Exposing these tetrahedral intermediate into water or dilute acid, it will give rise to formation of alcohol. Okay, so with formaldehyde we get a primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. With other aldehyde such as acetaldehyde, for example, if we use acetaldehyde instead of formaldehyde, so here we will get one methyl group at this position. So with the other aldehyde the product will be a secondary alcohol, but as far as ketone are concerned, where there are two alkyl groups, so the product will be tertiary alcohol. So the carbonyl compound are very important with reference to organometallic compounds such as Grignard reagent. We get different type of alcohol: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Similarly, Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide reaction. This is carbon dioxide, carbanion character. We get a compound like this. We can write this portion, and hydrolyzing it give us, or we can write it like this as well, acid or carboxylic acid. So with the carbon dioxide we can get acid when we react Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide, so it gives us acid. Next, with nitrile and cyclic ether. With cyclic ether, which are RMG, X plus O, again at first stage just we have linked hydrolyzing it give rise to formation of a terminal alcohol. So this is terminal alcohol. Whenever we require terminal alcohol, we react Grignard reagent with epoxide or cyclic ether. But as far as the nitrile are concerned, RMG, X plus R, C, triple bond N. Again it reacts like this and this and give R. We just hydrolyzing it give us. Why? Because this is a ketamine. The compound is known as ketamine, which is unstable and react in such a water condition by giving rise to formation of ketone. So these are simple reaction. We can also check out another reaction with oxygen as well, in which RM GX react with oxygen at very low temperature for giving epoxide. MgX in first stage, hydrolyzing it gives rise to formation of peroxides. So these are very important reaction, especially with Grignard reagent. I hope you got an important understanding about what is organometallics, how we can identify them, what are its important features, what are different classes of organometallic compound, what sort of metal participate in making organometallic compound, and with an example of Grignard reagent which we discussed with reference to its structure, reactivity and its role in organic synthesis. If we check out or review or inculcate some importance of this reaction. So we can say that the Grignard reagent can be used for synthesis of alkane. This can be done by reacting Grignard reagent with any medium or any substrate that has acidic protons such as water, alcohol, amine or thiol. Secondly, we can also use Grignard reagent for isotopic labeling. Here we have labeled this compound with deuterium. Next, if we require or want to synthesize alcohol, then the application of Grignard reagent can be used for synthesis of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol by reacting them with either formaldehyde, acetaldehyde or ketone. With formaldehyde we get a primary alcohol, with acetaldehyde and other aldehyde we get a secondary alcohol, with ketone we get a tertiary alcohol. Again, we can also use Grignard reagent for synthesis of carboxylic acid as well. So we can achieve this with the help of reaction between Grignard reagent and carbon dioxide. So again, if we want to get a terminal alcohol, primary alcohol or terminal alcohol, then we can use Grignard reagent with epoxide. Again, we can also synthesize ketones as well by reacting Grignard reagent with nitrile, and in last reaction we also utilize Grignard reagent for making peroxide. So this type of compound is known as peroxide. So that's why Grignard reagent is very important in organic synthesis, either for making alkane or for making alcohol or terminal alcohol or carboxylic acid or peroxide. So I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you got a bit understanding about the topic in organometallic methods. Thank you.